The Minnesota Department of Natural Resources says there's no way to get around the state's fishing license requirements during the state government shutdown. The state's electronic licensing system was taken offline when the shutdown began July 1st, leaving anglers unable to buy fishing licenses. And that's caused concern in the state's tourism industry. The DNR made it clear today that fishing on the honor system is not allowed. The DNR says some contract license agents and resorts have been issuing so-called temporary licenses on the condition that buyers promise to purchase a legal license when the shutdown ends. But DNR Enforcement Chief Jim Conrad says those unauthorized documents are not valid, and he says anyone caught fishing without a valid license could be ticketed. There have been conflicting messages regarding this. Both Bemidji's and Brainerd's Chambers of Commerce sent out emails today promoting the honor system of fishing. The Crow Wing County Board also discussed the matter yesterday.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.